Hello everyone, welcome to Neurosapiens.
In today's tutorial, we will learn how to create a data visualization and change the legend category color for a visualization that we create using Tableau Public Desktop Edition. The dataset that we'll be using today is going to be the Complete Pokémon dataset. So I'm going to first drag and drop this dataset into my Tableau Public Desktop session. So now that the dataset is loading, and here it has loaded, we can see all the attributes in the right-hand corner. I'm going to go to my worksheet here, highlighting orange, called Sheet 1. And I'm going to drag the measure against dark to columns, against ice to rows. I'm going to drag classification here to color. So this will create a point for each of the different classifications and their total against dark and against ice values as a scatter plot. To change the colors, I can right click here on my legend and I can click on the first option, edit colors, and it will give me a whole selection of colors that I can choose. So I can select a different palette. For example, let's say Tableau 10. And for Alpha Pokemon, I can select this yellow gold, or I can choose another palette, let's say Hue Circle. I go to the Arrow Kill Pokemon, change it to green, and I can hit apply and OK. And this will update the colors for those categories. Alternatively, you can go back to edit colors and select a palette, let's say Tableau Classic Median, and hit assign palette, and this will assign the color, all the colors within this palette to one of the categories in your legend. Hit apply, and this will update the colors for the visualization. So there you have it. This is how you can change the colors or colors for a legend category in a data visualization that you create using Tableau Public Desktop Edition.
If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and click the notification bell for weekly videos. Please share the video with anyone who you think would benefit from the content and comment below what topics you would like to learn. If you would like to support this channel and have the means to do so, the best way will be via my Patreon link in the description below. Happy learning and I'll see you in the next tutorial.